Now it's your turn. Are you ready?
And it's the perfect place for our superior salmon to grow up.
I heard the sonic sound treatment can stress the salmon and stop their growth.
Yeah, it can. And it can even disrupt the entire ecosystem in the fjord.
What do you mean by disrupt the ecosystem?
There's no chance of that.
Found the missing jet ski.
I need to check the blockers. This could fuck up the entire fjord.
I saw the video you sent.
And what do you think?
It's happened before.
We are planning to triple our production.
It's not gonna give up.